Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create an aesthetic outline in CapCut. So this feature is kind of new. What you need to do to make the static outline is just go to text and here swipe until you find draw. So I'm gonna use this brush right here, this dash lines right this, and I'm going to lower the size, and also you can also adjust the opacity. Then I'm going to use this yellow color, and then you can just draw it in here like this. Okay, I'm going to make it better. If you want, you can also zoom in the clips. Okay, I'm going to make it like that. So you can just draw in any shape that you like. Okay, after you finish, you can click on the check icon. Then you can also add animations to it to make it more aesthetic. You can just try which one that fits your content the best. Okay, I'm going to use the wipe down. Then you can just click on the check icon and you are done with that aesthetic outline. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.